Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty. If it is your first time here, welcome. And if you are already a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad, welcome back. In today's video, what I decided to do was bring you an end of summer try on haul. These items are from different places. They are items that I purchased at the start of summer, items that I purchased in the spring when we were going into summer that I never got to wear. I just wanted to share with you some of my summer fashion finds. I do have items from Amazon, Rainbow, Fashion Nova, and even Walmart. So just sit back and let's get into the video. I will begin with this shirt. This shirt is from Amazon. I know some of you know, a lot of you don't, but Amazon have really cute clothing and it is not expensive. The only problem is you have to know the vendor that you are purchasing from. I read that in reviews, and so far I have not had any issues when I place an order with any of the items that I have ordered. Let me rephrase that. I have not had any issues with any of the clothing items that I've purchased from Amazon. Now this shirt caught my eye. All I did was search black summer shirt. However, I saw the front, but I didn't swipe to see how the back looked, which I don't have an issue with the back of the shirt. I love it, but you have to have the right place to wear it. So this is the front of the shirt, and I'm going to turn and show you the back. The back, it opens up. As you can see, it's a really cute top. I really like that feature about the back opening up. This shirt was $7.99. I mean, where can you get affordable fashion like that? Anywhere else that you just won't see several people wearing. But this is my cute Amazon shirt. And now here is another summer look that I found on Amazon. 2 pieces, $19.99. You can't beat that. That's $10 top, $10 bottom. Of course, I'm a Prime member, so I didn't even have to pay shipping. It's a crop top, and this is a long maxi pencil skirt. Really cute. When I first saw it, I thought that it was like knit material, but it's that soft, kind of shiny material. But again, this is my second find. I actually had ordered this right at the start of summer. I never got to wear it, but this is another find. Amazon. Cute little baby doll dress. This is my Walmart find. $15. 14, I think it was 46.96. Either way it goes. But this is a really cute dress. Kind of olive green color. I love it. Do not sleep on Walmart. I had to clap it up. Walmart has very cute, affordable clothing, especially this brand. The brand of this dress is Time and True. That is a new line with Walmart, and I have found a lot of the items that I've been getting are from Time and True. Don't knock it, just look. It ain't for everybody, but it's for me. And that's my go-to spot. When I need something, I don't have time to wait on shipping, I'm going to Walmart or I'm going to Rainbow, which is where the next look comes from. This is a 2-piece set from Rainbow, skirt set. Midi length, I love midi length. You can see it's a crop shirt. I don't really remember the cost of this. I almost want to say it was like $22.99 for the set. You cannot beat that. 2 pieces, it came together. Rainbow is my number 2 spot to go to. Anyone that knows me, they know Fashion Nova is my number 1. But I'm kind of getting fed up with Fashion Nova, just a little bit. Just a small smidget, because they are getting so much fame. It's nothing like when I first started ordering from them. But my next few pieces are from Fashion Nova. But this right here, Rainbow. Before I get to Fashion Nova, I do have another piece that I did purchase from Rainbow at the start of the summer. And what caught my eye, the way that it's made, it's black, it's short sleeve, really, really cute. $7. y'all. This was $7. I can wear it whenever. It doesn't have to be summertime for me to wear this. But I wanted to show you, this was another one that I purchased. This is a Fashion Nova find. It looks better on the model than it does on me. I will say that. It was so cute, and it was the color. This is my color this season. So it was my color. It was cute on the model, and for some strange reason, I didn't think it through. I looked to see if it was stretch, and it is. It's very, very stretchy, but my goodness, look at this. It has the cute little ties. It's capri style. I mean, it had everything that I loved. It's strapless. I mean, I like it, but I don't think I would actually be able to wear it out other than for the sake of this video. But this was a Fashion Nova summer find. If you're interested in it, you can purchase it from me. Tags are still attached. All right, y'all. This is a Fashion Nova piece that I actually purchased for an all-white party that I was invited to during the summer. I wanted something cute. I couldn't really find anything, so I saw this on Fashion Nova, and it was perfect. It's a jumper. I did have to get it cut in hem to fit me because it was extremely long. It's kind of bell-bottom flare at the bottom. I do have on a pair of heels because I didn't want to get the bottom of the pants dirty, but it is a really cute piece. I fell in love with it because it was off the shoulder. This is a mesh piece that's over it, and it drapes down in the back as well. So let me walk so you can see. Ooh, look at this. This is cute. The back, it's fitted, but it's not too tight. It's really, really stretchy. When I put it on, I fell more in love with it, but it's really, really cute. This was for the all-white party that I did not go to. So now I have this all-white outfit. So if you are having an all-white party, invite me so I can wear this. I want to thank you, beauties, for tuning in to my end of summer try-on haul. If you like what you see, make sure you click that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click your bell. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. And don't forget to share it. I will catch each of you in my next video. Adios.
Know she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah.